Okay, we have an Okuma horizontal machining center, model MA400HA, serial number 115880. Machine was new in 2005. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has a 15.75 or 400 millimeter pallet with 24.05 inches of X travel, 22.01 of Y, and 24.61 of Z. The pallet has 1 degree index, and the spindle goes from 50 to 15,000 RPM. Right now we're running at about 8.
3,000 RPM.
Oh, no, right now we're at 3,000. Going. Yep. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle with a 20 horsepower motor, 5,000 RPM. And you have a 60 tool automatic tool changer capacity. That's 8,000. There you go. 12,000 RPM. Machine's very nice and quiet. Okay, we're going to tool change. Okay. Second one. Machine also has coolant through spindle and a chip conveyor. Second tool change. Round goes the merry-go-round. Okay, let's see the axes a little bit. Your Y, X, and your Z. And you show the rotation of the pallet, it'll go up. Okay, so you've seen the pallet index, you've seen the axes move, you saw the spindle go up to its high RPM, and you saw it do a tool change. Hey, thank you for watching our video.